Hey guys, this is Dale with Old School Rides. I'm picking up a new car. You'll see it there hiding in the background. I'm not gonna talk a whole lot right now. Stay tuned. We'll show you what I am loading in just a minute as soon as I get it on the trailer and get it paid for. Well guys, here it is. 1969 RoadRunner. Not just any 69 RoadRunner. This is a 426 Hemi RoadRunner. I guess you could call it a yard find, a barn find, I'm not sure. A buddy of mine had access to this car, had it shipped out here. It's just a rolling shell, absolutely amazing, super complete, missing just a few things, got the wrong year seat in it, and just a super great car. And it is an original, all numbers matching, body parts, 426 Hemi RoadRunner. I will take a few more pictures, and as we get a little farther along, right now I'm working on getting this thing home. Hey guys, I got it home. I'm gonna walk around the car a little bit and show you what we got here, as well as I've got a parts car and another RoadRunner. I'm a RoadRunner fan. I'm definitely a Hemi fan. So I'm gonna walk you around my cars, my new projects, and get you introduced to them, and we'll see if we can't get started on them a little bit. I'm super excited about this car. I don't usually talk about cars very much when I'm picking them up at the individual's house, because just for privacy and things, and I don't want my deals to go wrong. But I was so excited to get this 69 RoadRunner that on the trailer and paid for and back to my house, and I'll walk you through the rest of the project. So this is the car as I got it. I did get the transmission with it, original Hemi trans, and it's really straight. It's a post car. It is I believe a manual steering car, not a disc brake car or anything. But like I said, this is an original Hemi car. I didn't get a ton of parts with it. Unfortunately, got everything loaded up so fast. I hate these back windows. I didn't check this one, and doggone it if I didn't lose the window on the trip. And that makes me sad. I lost this little piece of chrome right here. By all means, check your cars out super good. I'm going to tell you the worst part of the story. I lost the ramps off my trailer as well somehow. I don't know if we didn't get them locked. We just got in a hurry to get this car out of there, and yeah, that's what happened. But great car to start with. I don't know if I'm going to restore this car fully or not. I might just restore the motor and tranny back in it and put the interior back in it and drive it a little bit like it is, just to have fun with it. I had another RoadRunner I was going to show you guys, so I do have some extra parts and things around here. This is a 69 RoadRunner as well, and this was a factory big block car. This one's a hardtop, but I have a lot of parts for some RoadRunners and things. I'll show you. This was actually, both were somebody's race car, so that was definitely being raced. This one was being raced. It's got some neat things you can see on it. I'll show you here. It's got a line lock right down here in it. He's got I think it's a oil pressure. I can't remember. Let's look here. Fuel pressure, because fuel's important when you're racing. Let's get this door open. Obviously, VP Racing Fuels sticker, but this one has a roll bar in it, or a cage. No back seat, missing a few parts. Looks like we got an old tack laying down here. Looks kind of fun, a Mallory tack. Got a reverse lockout shifter in there. Might be a reverse pattern shifter, but other than that, I mean, it's a really solid car. The jams are good. This is a factory red car as well. The Hemi car is a red car as well, and definitely look at the little tires they have under the back, shoved under there. Um, and it's a really tight posi traction rear end. I'm gonna say this one might actually be a spool. Just from the way that it feels when I was loading it up here, but I shoved them all over here because I'm gonna go through my RoadRunner parts and start putting these guys together. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this race car or not. I have another car I'm working on getting right now, and even though it is a RoadRunner, and I love the RoadRunners, and they're one of my favorite cars, I have the Hemi car now, and if I get a chance to pick up another Hemi car, I think this RoadRunner will go down the road. But again, that's just a super nice body. They're hard to get your hands on these days. And like I said, this is a, oh, I lied to you. This is an orange car. I forgot about that. I believe this is an Hemi orange car, not a red car. Let me look and see. I can't remember. I believe this is an orange car. I forgot about that. I thought it was red because they painted the red over the top, but the orange is actually in the vehicle, in the doors and in the floors. So again, super neat car, automatic. Great one for the future. Look, Kat's trying to help me today. So let me skip you over to my parts car now. So this is the parts car I've got here that I picked up. Great parts car. Got a nice set of fenders on it. Sport satellite. This one's got an engine in it, which probably won't do us any good, but man, look at the bumpers. And the fenders are just nice. This would be a great car to help finish out the other two. I just wanted you guys to share with you what we're gonna use to try and get this thing done. But, you know, I got dash and steering wheel and a lot of sheet metal that we can use, cut pieces off of. If we have a floor piece we have to replace. This was an Arizona car. I love having a good parts car to put things together, and it's even better if you got more than one car to put together. Usually a good parts car will go pretty far for you. And you know, it is a 4-door. It was kind of a fancy sports satellite, which is kind of neat. But definitely these two cars over here need to be put back together, and they need this little sports satellite. I'll back up here. You know, got them in the yard lined out, and definitely lots of fun to look at. But I'm super excited to get that car. You don't find an unrestored Hemi car very often these days, and you know, one with a nice body. It's definitely going into the stable over here, and I'm gonna do I think I'm just gonna have fun with this one. Everybody needs a driver. Joe Dirt had one, so that's where I think I'm gonna go with this. Well, guys, that's my new project. I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed taking a walk around with me. I'll do some updates as I go along, and we'll keep you informed. Super great find, barn find, a yard find, whatever you want to call it. It's the coolest thing I've found in quite a while. I'm hoping you're as excited about it as I am. I'm already gathering up some Hemi parts out of the garage to see if we can get a motor built, get some carburetors ordered, and see if we can put this guy back together and get it on the street, and you know, we can all go for a test drive when I get her done. So this is Dale with Old School Rides. Subscribe, like us, give us a shout out, and let us know if you want to hear about something extra on some of these vehicles or things that we're doing, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Take care.